Hello friends, welcome to KSP Academy. Last class we have started coordinate geometry basics. Only distance, midpoint formula, sectional formula was calculated. Now I switch on to that in that two-dimensional plane, how to find the area of a triangle, how to find the area of coordinates. Let us illustrate this. Let us know that x-axis, y-axis. X-axis is abscissa, y-axis ordinate. It's very clear. So let us. I am writing. There are three points I have. The point one is A, x1, y1. The point number B is there here. My point is x2, y2. I have point number 3 is there. That is x3, y3. Let us. I have 3 points. The moment I was drawing these 3 points, I should got a triangle. This is called a triangle ABC. So we want to calculate the area of a triangle. Generally, what they have a formula? Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle formula have number of formulas. Half into base into height. What is formula having? Half into base into height. If you have to know base and height, here there is no base, there is no height. Only points are having. This formula is not valid here. Sometimes they have a Heron's formula. S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So ABC distance means we have to know. Here there is no distances. So this is a formula with the sides they mentioned, height they mentioned. This formula working below. And the coordinate geometry they will not give the distances. They will give the points you need to find out. The moment the points they mention, the area of a triangle. So how to find its area of a triangle? The concept is very simple. Formula is 1 by 2 sigma x1 into y2 minus y3. 1 by 2 into sigma x1 into y2 minus y3. If you wanted to extend open the sigma, I can rewrite into formula 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3. After x1 over, then after x2. x2 into y2 minus y3. Then x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula. Very simple it is. Here you can write 1, 2, 3. Then after 2, 3, 1. After 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1. 3, 1, 2 like that. You can write down extend it is. This is the case. You should remember the formula. Next is the case 1. Other case 2 is there. Let us I have other point. I will open this, close this. The other point of D I have. My point is here D, x4, y4. I have another point x4, y4. The moment I was joined 4 points, I got a quadrilateral. You want to find out the quadrilateral area A, B, C, D. Area of a quadrilateral. Whatever it may be, when the points with this, the quadrilateral will make. We have that also formula. 1 by 2 into sigma x1 into y2 minus y4. 1, 2, 3 means 4 will come. So if you wanted to extend this formula, I can write very clearly. To understand in the right, what you have to means 1, 2, 3 means 4. And after 2, 3, 4 means 4 after 1 will come. Then after 2, 3 over no. Next 3, 4, 1 will miss. 2 will come. And after that 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Next 4, 1 will. 2 miss. 3 will come. This is the way you can write down. First one 1, 2, 4. x1 into y2 minus y4. Next 2, 3, 1. x2 into y3 minus y1. Next 3, 4. And after 1 will come, it's miss. So 3, 4, 2. 3, 4, 2. Next x4 into y1 minus y3. This is the way you can write down. Actually we have that sequence 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our location will go like this. 1, 2, 3 means 4 will come. 2, 3, 4 means 1 will come. 3, 4, 1 will miss come. 4, 1, 2 means 3 come. This is the way you can write down a quadrilateral formula. This is a formula so you can apply to find out area of a triangle, area of a quadrilateral. This is very easy. Now let us think, I'll go for that other concept is called as collinear concept. The concept of collinear. The concept of collinear. This is how question will come in examination, collinear. What do you understand by collinear? If you have a 3 points are collinear, 2 points are collinear, 4 points are collinear. How to understand means collinear nothing but the points which are making a same slope, or two lines are collinear, lines having the same slope. Collinear means the lines are having same slope, or else the points are on same straight line. Same straight line. The points are on straight line. Example, let us have one line. We have a point A, point B, point C. Is these two points are same? Which are same on the line? Same lines. So A, B, C are collinear. A, B, C are collinear. The moment the A, B, C are collinear, what are the conditions when you are getting the examination? They mention 3 points. They are asking, is it 3 points are collinear or not? I have 3 procedures. Number 1 procedure is slope checking, slope formulas. Slope is AB slope is equal to BC slope is equal to AC slope. Any two slopes are same is enough. AB slope is equal to BC slope, enough, or BC slope is equal to AC slope, enough. If 3 slopes are same, these are lines are undergoing. Because slopes must be same, the lines are one straight lines only. So the slopes concept is one concept is there. Second concept is when you are doing this calculation, what is the area of a triangle? Area of a triangle. If it is 3 points, these 3 points make one line. These 3 points make one triangle. If it is 3 points, then like this, make one triangle. If 3 points to close, how much area should come? 0. If it is A point, if let us that point A is there, B is there, C point is there. The moment points are there, some area should come. This C point will come, the point will be here. The C points will come, the points will, the C point keep on coming over here. The triangle area becomes 0. It means when you are doing these 3 points are collinear, the area possessing by 3 points of triangle or coordinate or whatever it may be, depends upon the points, it should be 0. Now it is here 3 points are having means it make a triangle. It means the area of a triangle is 0. The area of triangle is 0. What is the area of triangle? This one. The area of a triangle is half into sigma x1 into y2 minus y3. It should be 0. This area should be 0. Then also these are the points will becomes, it should be collinear. Other case also there. Some other cases the distance will be same. It means the distance of AC. The AC distance is equal to AB plus BC distance. It should be same under straight line, shortest paths. So let us having 3 plus 4, AC is 7. So 7 is equal to 3 plus 4. The distance concept also have slope and area of a triangle and distance coverages. So this is a way you have to get things you can make it in consideration here. So this is 1, 2, 3 ways you can find out the points are collinear or not. This question will come. Sometimes the points are collinear. Find other point. They will give x1, y1, x2, y2. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y2. These 3 points are collinear. They will not provide x3 or y3 to find out. Substitute all because unknown point is y3 equal to 0. Find out unknown point. That question will come. This is what checking this or this or this. Anyone comfortable, that only you can do it. Options are yours. Depends on content you can take. Very clearly with this your coordinate geometry, the second part is completed. Next class will continue for third part. Thanks for watching. Keep continuing for next videos.